Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into a topic that affects millions of men around the world, an enlarged prostate, also known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH. If you're tired of frequent trips to the bathroom or dealing with weak urine flow, don't worry, you're not alone, and there are natural ways to support your prostate health. In this video, I'll share the top 7 drinks that can help shrink an enlarged prostate and improve your overall health. Plus, I'll tell you which drinks to avoid to make sure you're not unintentionally making things worse. Stick around until the end for a bonus recipe that combines the power of multiple prostate-friendly ingredients. Before we dive into the best drinks, let's quickly understand what causes an enlarged prostate. The prostate is a walnut-sized gland located below the bladder in men, and its main role is to produce seminal fluid. As men age, especially after the age of 40 or 50, hormonal changes, like a decrease in testosterone and an increase in DHT, dihydrotestosterone, can cause the prostate to grow larger. While this growth is non-cancerous, it can press against the bladder and urethra, causing those pesky symptoms like frequent or urgent need to urinate, trouble starting or stopping urination, weak urine flow. While medications and surgeries are options, natural remedies, including the right beverages, can reduce inflammation, improve bladder function, and support prostate health. Number 1. Green tea. Let's start with green tea, one of the best drinks for prostate health. Green tea contains a group of antioxidants called catechins, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and even slow the growth of prostate cells. Studies suggest that men who drink green tea regularly are less likely to develop prostate problems, including BPH and even prostate cancer. How to enjoy it? Drink 2 to 3 cups of green tea daily. For added benefits, squeeze in some fresh lemon juice. The vitamin C from the lemon can boost absorption of the antioxidants. Don't add sugar to your tea, it can contribute to inflammation. If you prefer sweetness, use a teaspoon of honey instead. Green tea is not only great for your prostate but also for your metabolism and heart health, so it's a win-win. Tomato juice. Next on our list is tomato juice. Tomatoes are packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that specifically benefits the prostate. Lycopene helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the prostate, which can shrink its size and improve urinary flow. Here's a quick tip. Lycopene is more bioavailable, meaning easier for your body to absorb when tomatoes are cooked. So, drinking freshly made tomato juice from cooked or stewed tomatoes is even better than eating raw ones. To prepare, simply blend cooked tomatoes, strain the juice, and season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Avoid store-bought versions that are loaded with sodium. A small glass of fresh tomato juice daily can go a long way in supporting your prostate health. 3. Pomegranate juice. Another must-try drink is pomegranate juice. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants, particularly polyphenol, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and improve overall prostate health. Pomegranate juice has also been linked to lower PSA levels, a marker often used to detect prostate issues, including cancer. Drinking just 1 small glass of pomegranate juice a day is enough to enjoy its benefits. Quick tip. Since pomegranate juice can be high in natural sugars, stick to unsweetened varieties or make your own at home by blending fresh pomegranate seeds. Number 4. Water with lemon. Now, let's talk about the simplest and most refreshing option, water with lemon. Staying hydrated is essential for prostate health because it helps flush out toxins and keeps your urinary system functioning smoothly. Adding lemon to your water boosts it with vitamin C, which can help reduce inflammation and promote a healthy immune system. Here's how to make it. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm or cold water. Drink it first thing in the morning to kickstart your metabolism and improve hydration. This drink is easy, effective, and can be enjoyed throughout the day. Number 5. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice isn't just great for your urinary tract. It's packed with antioxidants like proanthocyanidins, which help fight inflammation and reduce oxidative stress in the prostate gland. This can be a game changer for men dealing with symptoms of BPH, like frequent urination or discomfort. But that's not all. Cranberries are natural warriors against harmful bacteria. They prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of your urinary tract, reducing the risk of infections that can worsen prostate symptoms. This makes cranberry juice a double threat. It supports both your prostate and your urinary system. Number 6. Turmeric. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory spice, and when combined with milk, it makes a soothing drink that can reduce prostate inflammation. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, has been shown to improve prostate health. To prepare, heat a cup of milk, dairy or plant-based. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a pinch of black pepper to boost absorption. Sweeten with honey if desired. While these 6 drinks are fantastic for your prostate, there are a few beverages you should avoid. 1. Excessive caffeine, which can irritate the bladder. 2. Alcohol, especially in large amounts, as it worsens inflammation. 3. Sugary sodas, which contribute to weight gain and inflammation. Stick to the drinks we covered today for the best results. And that's it, 7 powerful drinks to shrink an enlarged prostate and improve your overall health. Which drink are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could benefit from this information. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health. See you in the next video.